Anyone who does SEO or publishes online needs to know what Google Bard is and how it might work with search. Bard, Google's answer to ChatGPT, just came out, and people are getting to know it so they can see how it compares to OpenAI's robot that uses AI. The name Bard is just for marketing purposes. There are no algorithms named Bard, but we do know that the chatbot is controlled by Lambda. Before diving into the further details of how Google Bard works, subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get into the video. How does Google Bard work? Google's language model for dialogue applications, which was first shown off 2 years ago, is what makes Google Bard work. Transformer, which is Google's neural network design, was used to build Lambda. This is the same architecture that was used to build GPT-3, the language model that ChatGPT uses. In the first version of Bard, a lightweight form of Lambda will be used because it needs less computing power and can be made to work for more users. Bard will also use all the information from the web to come up with answers. Most AI apps today use an LLM in the GPT series, which is very different. Why did Google unveil Google Bard now? On March 21, 2023, Google launched registration for its Bard waitlist. Simply going to the homepage of the website, signing into your Google account, and agreeing to the terms and conditions are all that is required of you to be placed on the waitlist for Bard. Despite this, Bard's launch was not without problems, as evidenced by a demo in which Bard provided incorrect information regarding the James Webb Space Telescope. This brought to light the significance of having a stringent testing procedure, which is something that Google is working to improve through the implementation of its Trusted Tester program. The introduction of Google's Bard service coincides with the success of ChatGPT, which has amassed over 1 million users in less than a week from its first release. Based on research conducted by the Swiss financial institution UBS, ChatGPT has been determined to be the app with the most rapid rate of user growth ever. As a direct result of this success, other technology companies, such as Google, are attempting to enter this market while it is still profitable. Google has developed several other artificial intelligence services in addition to Bard, but these services have not yet been made available to the general public. These services include Imagen, an AI picture generator, and an AI music generator. In a recent work covering Music LM, Google acknowledges the inherent biases that are present in the training, which could harm cultures that are underrepresented in the training, as well as fears regarding cultural appropriation. This acknowledgement was made in the context of the risk that these kinds of models could pose to the misappropriation of creative content. Thank you for watching our video on Google Bard. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.